Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install a web browser on your on-device Streaming Box 4K. So what we want to do is scroll on over to apps and go on down under here and scroll to the right until we get to communication. Then under here we have a bunch of different app options for browsers. So we got like Open TV, TV in-app browser, and then we can just scroll through this list, and there's a bunch of different ones like Neptune TV, and then also Clear TV browser. So you kind of just have to pick which one you kind of like, and I've been through a few of them. So this is the Neptune browser, and it looks like we actually have to sign in and complete stuff on here. So I think I like the first one the most, even though it doesn't work the quickest, but it gives you a lot of options for different links. So this one looks like it's just a search browser with ChatGPT built in. So I don't know if I really like that one as much. But here's Open TV Browser, and I'm searching the internet right now, and I can go back to the home screen by pressing back. So let's go back home, and this is the home page, and you can see the URL right at the top, and we have different options for, it looks like, casting a device, and then they have some pre-programmed news channels on the top, and then all these different websites here for these specific TV streaming sites. And then they got anime down here. I don't know what this is about, but they have that option down there. And then they got some categories on the left side, like popular, news, movies, anime, bookmarks. So if you go to a website that you like, just simply add it as a bookmark. And then you can come back to this at any point in time. Or you can just type it in under here, and you can find it very easily. So maybe you got the Weather Channel or something like that. So let's just go up to popular and maybe just try one of these websites out. Let's scroll down. Here's the Weather Channel. So let's go to this and just see how this loads. And it looks fine. And if I scroll on down, you can see it kind of hangs up a little bit when I scroll up and down. But if you're just trying to watch one of these streaming websites or something like that, as soon as you get the video going, everything should look good enough. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.